Good day everyone, I am Malaya J. Almapingas, a nursing student from Mati Doctors College. Today, I am going to present to you the procedure of elimination of unpleasant odors. First, patient must be clean, daily bath with oral hygiene and external touch. Second, bed linens must be changed with clean linens daily. Hala, disi.
Bulok.
Third, all side linens is clean and garbage must be disposed properly. Fourth, water in the flower vase must be changed daily. Fifth, all receptacles of patient discrete 9 bedpan, urinals, putong cup, kidney basin must be cleaned after use. 6. Bathrooms and toilet must be cleaned daily. 7. Floors must be mopped with clean mop free from odors. And that concludes my demonstration in elimination of unpleasant odor.